Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. For better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about closing the cursor and database. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. We need to close the cursor and database in order to release the resources. In our activity code, we use a cursor to retrieve drink details from the database, and once we had used these values with our views, we immediately close the cursor and database. When you use a cursor adapter, it works slightly differently. The cursor adapter needs the cursor to stay open in case it needs to retrieve more data from it. This will happen if the user scrolls down the list of items in the list view and needs to see more data. This means that you can't immediately close the cursor and database once you have used the setAdapter method to connect it to your list view. Instead, you can use the activities_onDestroy method to close them. As the activity is being destroyed, there is no further need for the cursor or database connection, so they can be closed. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.